I work with the Clinical and Translational Science Research Center a lot, and they have a contact us page, and in Drupal, which is the tool that the university uses for their websites, there is an option for a web form, which I think a lot of departments use, is the web form that's built in. And so, you know, you can create fields and collect some information, but you're sort of limited to who you can share the results with. It's a little unwieldy for a group or trying to get metrics out of it. So we experimented a little bit this week, and the new feature that I wanted to show today is the contact form on this page is actually a REDCap survey. So you can embed a REDCap survey into a web page for a university site, and when you complete it, it just dumps into your REDCap project. Your notifications that you're familiar with already can be set up so that someone is notified that someone has added something, and you could be collecting any kind of information here, and then you could have different surveys on your site if you wanted to set it up that way. But instead of having to have permissions for the website and then, you know, see what people have filled out, all you have to do is go to the REDCap project, and all your information is going to be right there. So this is actually the project. It's very, very simple, and this is all that I put in, and then on the form, just in case you were working with someone that, you know, you wanted to do this. So this is that, here's the survey, and just so you can see, this is the code. This is the entire code to embed that survey into the page. Now, you play around with the height of the survey depending on how many questions there are or whatever, and we could certainly help you with that if that was an issue, or your webmaster or whatever. I really just wanted to make sure that you know that it's available in case it's something that appeals to you. You can work with your webmaster and then embed that survey in there, and I just think it's a nice feature. So having said that, I'm going to turn it over to Manuel. He's going to demonstrate an external module. Oh, one last thing I did want to say about how this appears is there was one external module that I did use on this, and that's the CSS injector, something that I'm sure Manuel's going to demonstrate at some further Red Zone meeting because he's far more skilled with it than I am. But this was really basic to identify that I was using some CSS, making some CSS changes to the survey, and just plug them in right here. And again, we can help you. And this is all there was to that, to embed that survey into the web form for the department.